Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got another video. In this video I'll show you how you can actually go ahead and use Splitwise app right there on your mobile phone. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, we'll simply go ahead and step into our video. So the Splitwise definitely helps you with your transaction, where you can actually make a group with your friends, split your bills, and if you have all of them, some collect easily all of your money like that. So first, let's get our app over here. Once we have done so, we have created our account. We're going to go to this account section and check we are logged in, right? So if you go to this our friends option, where you can tap on this add more friends, where you're going to go ahead, find the people who use it, and we're going to add them according to our need, right? And then it says plus icon, which actually allow us to create and add an expense, and then we can add the person we want to add our expense with, and then we will be done with that as well. And this is groups option, where we will be able to find all of our groups. We can actually tap on the start a new group or create a group option, where we can go ahead add people according to our need, and we can even choose the type. We can go to this activity, where we will find all of our transaction, what we have done for our notification for our app itself. Then we can go to this account section, which will show all of our settings for us. We can see this passcode. We can even get the scan code, where you can simply go ahead scan any of the codes coding for us, right? It will even show us our code for them to get to our account easily. And this is the way, guys, you can simply go ahead use your Splitwise like that. We even have a Go Splitwise Pro if you want to have the advanced features, but if you're a normal user, you can have it like that. So this is it, guys. If you got a particular question regarding any of the functions, you can let us know in the comments below, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.